What's up everybody? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use Stan.store for affiliate marketing purposes. So make sure to follow all the steps I'm going to show you guys in this video. If you guys don't have Stan.store account, just go to the link I have provided in the description and sign up and start your free trial. Once you guys have signed in, go to my store and hit add product here. Here click on external link slash URL. Once you guys are here, now here what you guys need to do is to first select call out. Now here tons of options will be given to you guys. You can select image of your affiliate product, you can add text, you can give it a title, and now here you can drop your affiliate link. Your affiliate link would then appear loud and proud on your Stan.store. And on the right side where it is written check it out, you guys can go here and create kind of an advertisement about that product, and you can actually add details about that product here. You can create content regarding that product, and you can tell your audience to go visit your Stan.store and buy that product. This is how you can make money through affiliate marketing on Stan.store. That's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.